Hi, good morning. Welcome back to my channel on this lovely sunny day. I'm just going to get lathered up with my Pro Raso White, and today we're going to be shave testing a vintage pair, a matched pair of straight razors. Okay, that'll do. The brush I'm using is my usual Kent Badger brush, and the soap I'm using is the Pro Raso White. I normally use the red, but I've got quite a thick beard this morning, about a week old, and the white one is just a little bit more creamy to get a smoother shave. Now then, matched pair of vintage razors come in the original case, which is a little bit tatty, shall we say, but it's done the job of protecting the razors, matched pair of razors inside. You can probably just see the Gentleman's Companion. They're a well-known brand, quite common, nothing special. However, this particular pair I noticed when I was honing them. The edge of the razor responded really quickly. There was no rust on them. They're fairly clean. Just needed a polish, hand polishing. And I noticed straight away, I used 6 stones, varying from 1,000 grit to set the bevel. You see the bevel there, up to 15,000 grit. And as soon as I started, I could tell that before I even put this blade to my face, I can tell it's going to be buttery smooth, because after I've set the bevel and progressed on to a 4,000 grit, then 6,000, the water displacement didn't just come up to halfway up the blade like it would do normally. It came right up and over the spine. I taped the spine with 3 layers of tape, and it progressed like that right up to my Imperial La Rosia stone, which is my finest stone. So I'm expecting a nice buttery smooth shave. And it's taken a week-old beard off. When I was actually finishing the blade on my final stone, my Imperial La Rosia, I finish it off under running water. Hold the stone and blade at about 45 degrees under running water, and the blade actually stuck to the stone. which is an indication that it's just as far as it will go. And this first blade is it does the job very nicely. It's a bit aggressive, shall we say. I noticed that it's taken the beard off and it's quite smooth, but it is, I can tell by the angle of it, it's quite an aggressive shave. So ideally suited for a tough blade, a tough beard. Oh. So on with this second one now for the rest of my beard. The inside of the case is okay, nice and clean. The hinge is a bit wobbly, so I'll look at replacing hinges on that with some newer hinges, all being well. So I'll just refresh this soap. It just tends to dry up with the heat from my face, from my skin. So on with the second one. Again, it's the same. They're both the same weight. Both are exactly matched as a pair. You can see the bevel there as I'm turning it to the light. So that's quite smooth. Unlike the other one, it's just a bit aggressive. Bearing in mind this is the first pass on a week-old beard, so you can feel it cutting. It's not tugging, but you can just feel it. The second pass. Will obviously be smoother. So there you go, that's a shave test on number 2. So anybody looking for a nice matched pair at a reasonable price, you've got a nice pair there which will last a lifetime and beyond. these razors are probably 100 years old as they are. So, by law of averages, it probably outlive the next owner. So there we go. Nice matched pair of straight razors. You can see the Hamburg ring there. So there we go. Thanks very much for watching, and probably catch up with you next week. I've got some nice vintage razors coming in next week. Okay, bye for now. Have a good week.